starting. Okay, so what is this redirection? IO redirection. Okay, so usually we need this one. Okay, see, look at here. This is a process, means your operating system or a process kind of stuff, or a command execution, whatever you put a name, CPU, process, like that. This is the input and this is the output, right? So it is simple to understand. When you given an input means you are given a command, right? You are giving a command, right? That is called a input. You're given an input from keyboard. Okay, you're giving input from keyboard, and your process means that whole system, your operating system, your system processor and everything, it process it and generate a output, and we can see the output on a your monitor, right? You see a output on a monitor. So what is this? Monitor. Okay, normal system block diagram. You give an input, system understand, it process it and generate an output, and you can see the output on monitor. And sometimes it generate errors also. Sometimes it generate errors also, right? Last time we given a find command, it's generating output and error. Sometimes it generate errors only. For example, you can see, I want to ping ifnc3, um, something I put a name, no, ping service or a name or a service not known. Okay, even I don't understand what is this also. Okay, for example, it is generating an output. This is generating an output. For example, I given something like 1 2 3. Okay, it is also generating an output with a different kind of stuff. Maybe Google 1 2 3 is also there. Sometimes it will generate a error. Okay, sometimes it can be a successfully, it will generate a thing. See, 100% packet loss, and here it is 0% packet loss. 0% packet loss, 100% packet loss. It is means it is error. Okay, it means it is error, and this is output. Okay, like that. Tell me. File not found, permission denied. Okay, unable to access. These are all errors. And if it is accessible or anything, it is generating output, it is error. But both we are seeing at your terminal. Monitor means this is your terminal. You can look at this terminal only. Okay, so this is a general one. Next one, what I'm going to do is, for some purposes, don't like a simple, I'm giving a input, I want to redirect this input output kind of stuff. So first of all, output redirection. So this is the process, and process done, and it's generating both output and as well as a error also, right? It's generating output and a error. Sometimes only output, sometimes only error, sometimes both. Okay, whatever do it, whatever it is, I want to put a output in a file. I want to put a output in a file. Save the output in a file. Okay, error will go to monitor. Monitor means terminal, guys. Monitor or a terminal, same thing only. Monitor means where we are looking at. For Linux we call the monitor as a terminal, because this is the terminal. This is the terminal. Okay, like this. To do that one, whenever you given a command, you should give a greater than symbol, like this. Okay, like this. CMD greater than your file name. What you have to give? You have to give like this. Okay, command greater than file name. We'll see that one. Like your cat command you are using, same concept on. Guys, look at here. This is a date. Date is a command. I put a date greater df1 file. Df1 file. File is not there earlier. Okay, remember that. Okay, so date greater file. ls df1 is there. Yes. Okay, and you have to check the cat df1 file. What happened? Date output went to in this file. It's not generating any error. Okay, so date output is redirected to this file. So in this file I has a command of this one. Okay, okay, we'll do another one. Cal is a command. It display the calendar. Cal greater df1. What will happen? Cal output go to df1 file. Read the file. Okay, the cal output is there. But what is the previous output? What is the previous one? Where is the date information inside? It will be erase. It remove. It replace the content of the file and put the new data inside. Put the new data inside. Okay. Anything ls. This is a ls information, right? List the directory content. Ls greater df1. So cat df1. See. See. Enter my current directory content names. I put it in my file. I put it in a my file. Guys, understand? Where is the date? Yeah, here it is. I'm not writing anything in a here. Okay, just if you are everything is in a picture only. Picture wise, you will understand very easy way. Okay, so as like a cat. So when you given a single greater, it means it create a file and replace the content of the file with a new data, with a new one. Okay, it replaces the content of the file. So that is you have to keep in mind. Next, see here it is, same diagram, no difference, same diagram only. Okay, input, output, error, output go to monitor, sorry, error go to monitor, output go to file. Same, no difference between first one and second one. Okay, this is output, go to file, error go to monitor or a terminal. I'm giving a input. This is process, but the command is little different here. Double greater file, but output is not changing anything. Only thing is append, append, append will be there. This is create and replace. Remember, single greater, create the file and replace the file. And double greater, create or replace. Create or append the file existing file content. So that is the thing you have to remember. Okay. So what is the current file content? Can anybody? So sorry. Where is? Yeah, here it is. What is the current file content? This thing. What I'm going to do is in date. This is a date command output. Date double greater df1 and check it. What is the content of this one? The date is added. Now cal double greater df1. What it is? It content not changing. Only thing is it is append to the existing data. Append to the existing data. Guys got it or not? Can I put a clear? What is double greater? When you given a double greater mark like this, it is a also a redirection, output redirection. Single greater and double greater is a output redirections only. So what is the difference between single greater and double greater? It appends the double greater appends the existing file content. It appends the existing file content. Last, I will give you the concluded list. Okay, because list is not finished. So I'm putting it clear, guys. This is a compulsory look at correctly. Find slash hyphen name. Okay. Pass WD. So I'm doing same thing as earlier, but I'm in a student. See, it is I am trying to search pass WD file or a command in entire system. That's why I'm giving slash. It is showing output and as well as a errors. Okay, output as well as a errors. It is showing. See, this is the output, and permission deny is nothing but a error. Okay, like this you can search for your outputs and errors also. Little difficult. What is this? Searching for a pass WD file entire system because I'm a normal user. Okay, it is showing output and as well as a error. I am doing simple egg grater, some OF1. Okay, OF1, which is not there earlier. So simple grater OF1. What is a grater? Output go to the file, error display on the screen. Output go to file, errors display on the screen. Remember output redirection. Output go to file. Output redirection. Output go to file. Okay. Now, so these are all errors. If you like, check it line by line. If you want, check the line by line. What you are getting, all are errors only. You are not seeing any output like a last time. Like a last time. Okay. So What I'm going to do is check the OF1 file. See, this is the output. Output went to the file. Output went to the file. Error display on the screen. Error display on the screen. So this is output redirection only. Same, no changing and all. Next one, same thing. I want to search where my file kind of stuff, file 1, file 2, file 3, that information where is located in my entire PC, right? That is also be done, right? But now I'm using double greater. Double greater. This is the content of the file, guys. This is the content of the file in this file. So the output, what are the output of this one? What are the output of this one is append to the existing file content. It is append to the existing file content. So to do that one, what to do? Double greater. Double greater. Okay. So one second. First of all, I want to run this command. This command generate both output and as well as the error. Right. So what is output? This is output, 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 and these are errors. Can you see? These are the errors. Again, these are the errors. These are the outputs. Okay, like that, right? So what I'm going to do is tell me, guys, command. I want to put the output only. I want to put output of this command into a file, append to the existing data, append to this file. So which one? Greater or double greater? Double greater. Hmm, thanks. Someone spoken at least. Because I'm not getting like whether you are understanding or not. If someone is spoken means yeah, it's okay. I'm alive. Okay, very good. So output of this command will go to this file and append to the file content. Okay, it will add it to the existing one. We'll see that one. So finally, error display on the screen. Error display on the screen and cat of1 output went to the file. See, you can see this is entirely outputs. Okay, see, this is a previous data and this is my current output. Okay, new output one. Okay, so like that. So do you understand, guys, what is the difference between um, single greater and double greater? Yes, sir. Very good. Only you have to follow these redirections from the notes and as well as a picture only. YouTube description is difficult because graters are so many graters are there. Okay, so compulsory check it. Next, mm, next one is error redirection. So I am getting a error on my screen. So what is the use of that one, right? So it depends upon different scenarios. Differently we use it. Okay, so different scenarios differently we are using it. Yeah. So time running very fast way. Okay. Now this is little bit difference. Again, same thing. When you given a command, it generate output or error or both. So what I'm going to do is now I want to put a output on my monitor or a terminal. Monitor or a terminal. Okay. Next, I want to put a error in the file. I want to put a error in the file. Okay. So to do that one, so what is the command? So your command to greater and your file name. So what will happen? Error go to file, output go to monitor, output display on the monitor. Okay, see, here it is, same command. So that's why I told find command first, then I'm telling this one. Okay, so find slash hyphen name pass wd. We know the output. Okay, so we know the output. It generate both output and errors. 2 greater ef1. My file name is ef1. 2 greater ef1. What will happen? What it is displaying? What it is displaying? Output. Output on monitor, error in the file. For us, I'm using less here, ef1. You see, these are all permission denies only. So you can see from top to bottom, so all are permission denies only. It means error went to a file, output is displaying on the screen only. Okay, it is a very big one. So we'll get like this. Output go to screen and error go to file. You're speaking there is some bad news. Okay, so guys, understand error redirection. Okay, so same thing will go like um, file star. Okay, different file name. Okay, because it will replace also. It will replace also. Okay, see, this is my output. This is my output displaying on monitor. Error go to this file. Error go to this file. You can try this one also. Yes, when I put this command, what is happening? Output display on the screen. Error go to file, right? Sometimes you don't require error. Sometimes you don't need error. Sometimes we require error. If you required, you put it in a file. If you don't require, what to do? I'm redirecting to a null location. Means like a trash. I'm redirecting my error to a trash. See, look at here. It displaying output on the screen and error not showing any place. It's a empty one. So it is like a you have deleted a error. So you don't want error to on your screen. Only you want a output on your screen. Okay. It is the same diagram. Okay. So that's why I am copying like this. But small changes are there. Here in this one, we don't use a file here. Okay. Output we are redirecting to a trash or a null location, means it's a like a completely out like this. Okay, like a trash. It's kind of trash, means no recollection from it, so you cannot get that back. Okay, so this is slash dev slash null location. So here it is also we have to change this file name. Instead of giving a file name, give the trash location. Give the null location. Okay, so a little bit up I am giving because it is blocking the view. Okay, so what is it? Give the 2 greater Same thing. Instead of file, we are giving a slash dev slash null. Output show on the screen. Error gone. So error we can't see. So that is the thing. Guys, got it? Very good. Okay, so these are the main things. These are the main things. Of course, you want to save. You want to save both error and sorry, both error and a file. So then you can also go for it. Like there is one more extra is there. That extra you can get it somewhere. Append is also there. Append is that much not a big deal. Okay, this is the last one. So last in this redirection, guys. I want to put a my output and error both. Earlier, only error into the file. Sorry, only output into the file. Next, only error into the file. Now output and error we put it into the file, and what is display on the screen? Nothing. What is display on the screen? Nothing. So that is like this. CMD ampersand greater and your file name. Okay, CND ampersand greater meaning is both output and error will go to the file. So go to up arrow. What I'm doing here, it is, oh sorry, what to do, past wd, yes, ampersand greater some file name, oe oef1, output and error file 1. It's not displaying anything, it's not displaying output or error because output and error went to this file. See, it contains error, and I'm searching for an output also. Okay, it is very difficult because so many lines are there. You will get there one day. Yeah, see, it is. Can you see? This is output and these are errors. This is output, these are errors. Okay, like this. Okay, got the point, guys? This is the output and these are the errors. What is this? Both output and error will go to the file. One more is there, that is appending manner is there. So that is appending means, for example, put another command and there should be a append both error and kind of stuff, like you have to give like this appending. Okay, again you go to less, go to page wise is better, enter 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 enter. So this is a complete, I'm searching for a first pass wd file related. Okay, why it is appending, right? Yeah, pass wd file is showing. What about file 1, file 2 kind of stuff? Go to top. It will take a lot of time. Yes, here it is. No, 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 no. I think this is the top one. Okay, so forget about this comment. So, it is there, but it's not coming out. Usually I don't try that one also. Guys, look at here. Final one. CMD greater file name. Meaning is output into file, error. If error is there, error go to terminal or a monitor. I am putting monitor. Okay. CMD double creator file. What is this meaning? Same thing, but append output into file in a append to the file. Output into the file and append to the file and error to monitor. Okay. Why it is so many blockage? Okay. Next, CMD to creator file name. Output and monitor. Output display on the monitor. Error to error goes to file. Next, CMD to greater slash dev slash null. Tell me again. Output on monitor and error is go to trash. Trash or null means you can't see, no saving. CMD ampersand greater file name. Output and error go to file. To file is enough. Okay. So this is a list of your redirection. So many things you can do. Redirection, grep command, pipe. These are very very important commands. Okay. So this is about your redirection. Anybody having any doubts or anything, please tell me. Hmm? Sahiti, you forget to send a message to in personal. Instead that you are sending to me. Cha antaledu. You send to everyone. Your chat box is monitored entirely in a video record. Okay, guys, no doubts, right? Very good. Recording stopped.